Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 10 CBSE Maths Triangle Exercise 6.2 7 sum. Let's see the question. Using theorem 6.1, prove that line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle is parallel to the other side, bisects the third side. Here to prove is the bisects the third side. Let me draw the diagram and explain. Here I am taking a triangle ABC. So they have given, here they have given using theorem 6.1 means using theorem BPT, we need to prove that the line drawn through a midpoint of one side. So this is the, let me take this to be the midpoint. So this is a midpoint means these two are equal. So midpoint means we know that the two sides, in between the midpoints, the two sides are equal. That is given is AD is equal to DB. So given AD is equal to DB and also it is parallel, D is parallel to BC. So these two are given and we need to prove is it to another side bisects the third side. Bisects means bisect means bi means 2. It divides into two equal halves, that is AE equal to EC. Here to prove is AE is equal to EC. So given is this and we need to prove is AE is equal to EC according to by BPT we are going to use it. So we know that here the given is AD is equal to DB. If I bring DB to this side, we know that if there is nothing, it is multiplied with 1. So I am bringing it to divide. So AD by DB equal to 1. So this we know. Let me, according to given, we are writing AD by DB is equal to 1. So we know that these two are parallel. So in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. So by BPT we know that AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. So AD by DB is equal to AE by EC. We know that this is equal to 1 according to the given. So write this as 1. We can directly substitute this as 1 is equal to AE by EC. Write in the bracket from 1 because we are substituting this value here. Anything if you do, just give it in the bracket because which is very important, otherwise you will lose mark. If I bring EC to the side, it doesn't divide, it comes as a multiply. So EC is equal to AE. So we need to prove AE is equal to EC. We have proved it. Hence proved. Always write what they have given. Therefore the line drawn through the midpoint of one side of triangle parallel to third side bisects the third side. So that's all with the sum. Thank you.